Ayo, what's poppin'? How you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna show you how you can figure out if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So if you can see right here, this X right here on the right hand corner. So what that means is that they either unadded you or blocked you. So how you can tell, so if you press and hold on the chat, click on view friendship. So obviously if you don't see their snap score, that means they unadded you. And of course they could have also blocked you. But to tell if they blocked you, so in order to tell if they blocked you, press and hold. So if you see this blue button with the plus and then the add, if you see this button, that means they definitely blocked you. And you can tell if you compare someone who blocked you and someone who just unfriended you. You can tell. So this is the blocked, this is the unfriended. So you can tell when you press and hold, the blocked person, like the thing will come up, like, or it will come up like shorter than the one that just unadded you. So if you want to be 100% sure that they blocked you, so all you gotta do is just tap on the magnifying glass, the search button, and what you want to do is you want to type in their full Snapchat username. Type it in full. If it pops up, that means that they just unadded you. But if they blocked you, nothing will pop up. I think it would say, let me show you. Yeah, it would just say no results. So that's how you know for sure that they definitely blocked you. I don't know if changing your username, if that affects this. I don't know, because I'm thinking like if a person changes their Snapchat username to something different, I don't think the old one will pop up. I don't think so. Because when Snapchat released that you could change your username once a year, they also said something about if you try to change it again, you can't change it back to your old Snapchat username or handle. So yeah, I don't think if you put in the old one, I don't think it would pop up. But if you didn't, guys, know that. But yeah, I hope this video helped. Please comment anything, any questions or any video ideas you want me to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.